Hey guys, I'm back with exciting news. My sword for my Urza cosplay is almost done. Look at this. The paint job's done. Uh, there was a lot of fine details, taping, and everything, and just honestly, generally a lot of just hassle. But you know what? It's done, and I am super impressed with myself. It's a bit scuffed, see there's some dodgy mismatched paintwork because obviously I was working with acrylic paint and the spray paint and it didn't match up. But you know what? This is going to be wrapped, so the sword's not done yet, but it's still going to be wrapped and then it'll be finished. But I thought I'd show you a progress from my first time doing the Painter 3D print. It's finally done. And once this is done, I will, I guess, work on doing my wig, and that'll be the cosplay done. And then I can practice some makeup. Yes. There we go. Look at that. I am super impressed, guys. So stay tuned while I do the wrapping, and then I'll show off like a full sword. But her swords change over the anime depending obviously on the studios who animated and the fact that she has so many of them. So this is one of the designs that came up frequently for her clear heart, so I took on the design and did this. So I got as accurate as I could. But yeah, overall, not a bad job, and I actually love this. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates.